Hi everybody, welcome back to Project COVID 1953, our 1953 Chevy 150. Got a little bit of an update for you. Another milestone is installing the replacement dash. Remember, the car was in a fire, the dash was warped, rusted, so I rough cut it out and it was out of the way while I worked on the interior, on the roof, the floor pan, and also on the brake assembly. Just gave me more room. So now I went back after rough cutting it, drilled out all the spot welds, cleaned it up, and got a very good mating surface for the new dash. Now the replacement dash I got on eBay. Found somebody that had a dash that they carefully drilled out spot welds, removed it, and it was in great shape. No rust or minimal, if that, on the inside. It was fully painted, so I basically stripped it all down to bare metal and epoxy primed it, cleaned it up, and got everything straight, so when I get it in place, the mating surface is going to fit real well. So I also put some weld through primer in place where I was going to be welding and got the fitment exactly where I wanted it. Then came back and just started welding. So it's all done, welded in place, very little cleanup. The welds turned out good, so I don't have a lot of grinding to do. Just clean up and a little bit of seam sealer, and we should be good to go. So now there will be a few modifications I do to the dash, but with that replacement in there, it looks awesome, and it gets me so I can move on to other things. So, and you'll see that coming up. So yeah, dash is done, it's in place, ready to move on to our next step.